Youmir Laser Technology Company Limited was established in 2019, is a high-tech company engaged in research, development, sale and service of jewelry spot laser welding machine, mold laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, and other laser machines. We are original manufacturer and our associated factory are located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our company machines sell well in all cities and province all around China, and also we have obtained CE certificate. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as India, Spain, Italy, and so on. Associated Factory have professional research and development teams, production teams, sales teams, can offer strict quality control and thoughtfully customer service. We also welcome OEM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk with us and let us know your detailed product requirements. What we offer: 1. Good quality control system. 2. Highly competitive prices in the market. 3. State-of-art technology products. 4. Professional technology team for the laser machine after-sale service. 5. 24 hours online and smooth communications sales service. 6. Effective OEM and ODM service.